I'll be on time and still not be on time. Good morning. Oh, bro. What do you even mean? Like, what was I even doing? In my defense, I did leave. But it's so pretty busy. Oh my gosh. Hello. So I'm about to head out. I feel so cute. And I'm wearing my slides, my diklepe. That's cool. Just quickly packing my bag. My sanitizer is literally finished. Guys, I'm so, like, every time I think about being there, like, it was great. The experience is great. But I'm so glad I chose to book an Airbnb because there is no way. The bathrooms there, I remember I went to the bathroom only once because I was not willing to go through that again. I literally got in there and I started to clean because it was just so nasty, and I can deal with many things. I can't deal with, like, I want to go to the shops and come back, pack my bag. I took a shower. I was like, I'm just gonna brush my teeth and then clean up. But as soon as I got into the bathroom and I just stood there for like 5 seconds and I was like, I need to take a shower because, girl. It's already 1 o'clock. I woke up at 10. I woke up after showering. I started watching Modern Family and I just got lost, I think, for almost an hour. Just chilling, watching. Guys, I think that's genuinely one of my favorite shows ever. Like, wow, what they did there, so good. Oh my gosh, I got my my apple. That's fine. I need that. I need a sharpener for this thing because, you know, and you know what, today I'm gonna get ready. Today I'm gonna look cute. Like yesterday I looked cute, but I didn't like do anything here. Today I'm gonna really try to up my festival. That's packed. Anyways, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my Rocking the Daisies vlog. too. Sorry if I'm low energy. Here, I want to do a quick little haul. This guy. Not too much though, guys. I might go back to the mall. I just smelled Ariana's vanilla mod, and baby, when I tell you I smell so fucking good right now, it's disgusting. Usually I'm a sweetener girl, but that is just, I don't know, it's just elevated. And I want to go back, but if I go back, that means I gotta stay indoors. Don't think about going out until I leave. Here's some things that I bought. We'll start with Lovisa. Okay, I also went to Discam. I just needed some sunscreen for my face. La Roche. It was on sale. I was so happy. I got quite a few things. Cute things like that. And some jewelry. I got a whole bunch of these cross ones. Girl! Also got this because I've been wanting just a plain like silver necklace that I can just throw on. Ish, guys, I'm not sure if I'm gonna go like I want to, because you know, but I think also my introvert side is just, she's kicking me. She is here fighting for her spot, and I can't fight back, you know. I'm literally just the girl. Oops, I didn't clip it. I'm trying to put this necklace on. Why? I don't know. Guys, should I go? Like, I don't want to go. I kind of wouldn't mind just having like a night in. I know tomorrow I can have a night in. Tomorrow's Sunday. Oof, I like it. Good choice. That's literally what I wanted. And then I got this fake septum because having a real septum has not been working out for me. Because I took it out, guys, and then like I've been getting my nails done pretty consistently. Usually I take a break, but I've just been getting my nails dead, you know? So now it's like my nails are always too long for me to put my septum in. So that now caused this whole thing. Like this thing not opening. Oh, it's open. Sorry, I'm the problem. So I figured let's do something cute like this. Okay. Oh, bestie, I miss. You know what? I'm gonna just wear a fake septum when I want to. I think this will be cute. This is so cute. Guys, I missed having a septum. Like, I love having this thing in my face. I got this one too. You can't really see. I don't know how to, but yeah. And that. They're pretty similar. This one's just a little bit more zazzy. It's zazzy. Okay. And no one probably needs this many cross earrings, but baby, we love Jesus up in here, so every ear must represent. Oh, then I went to Woolworths. I got myself some dessert. See why I want to stay in? I just want to chill and have my freaking stuff, you know, because this is so cute. I'm so romantic to myself. I really want that perfume. I feel like I can wait until I'm in. Be responsible for once in your life. Blueberry cheesecake. I love cheesecake so much, and I love blueberry cheesecake specifically. Oh yeah, I bought some shirts. I have these in a different color, so I just got them in this blue and white. I just figured it would be cute and fun. My sister's perfume. I went to Poetry. They didn't have the one that she likes and wanted. She did tell me about this one, so I was like, okay, we're just gonna get this one, because we literally called other stores, other Poetries, and they all didn't have that specific perfume. So yeah, Clavastor. Guys, ish. Do I go out or do I stay in and just let myself be? It would be nice to go out. Just go out and say, you're here, you paid for this experience. Yo, abantu base-experience kuyadura. Yes, sis. My Uber is literally outside, but look at how beautiful the moon looks. I need to close these. I'll probably have to redo my other keys. My anyways, this is the fit. I packed pants so that when it gets cold later.
Never meant it. No, it's in my eyes. Well, by every time you told me that you love me, I believed it. What you can't say, oh yeah. No more, she feel ya, me ask come. Yes, I feel
There's no footage from yesterday because yeah, but anyways, option number one, I feel so fat and bloated. Like, I know I don't look fat and bloated, but I feel it like And then here's the other one. I think we're gonna go with this one. I don't know why I'm whispering, but I feel more confident and I like this. My stomach's a little covered. What do you mean people live like this and party non-stop? I need y'all to give me whatever y'all are on, because no ways. Oh my gosh. Karang lady like I love when they make it easier to pull these out, because some of us don't get titties. Oops. Well, I think it's crazy. I'm about to head out. I'm going to the beach to just chill and read. I'm really hoping that like a place I can get like an iced coffee. An iced coffee or something. I'm so tired. I'm so glad. I was talking to people yesterday and they were like, oh, but you missed out on the whole 20's experience because you stayed like on your own and blah blah blah. And I'm like, I can't imagine being there around people as tired as I am right now. The fact that yesterday I had the luxury of being like, you know what, I'm over this, I want to go home, and I was good. This is what I'm wearing. It's pretty cute. My mom hates these pants, but they look really fucking cute. I just paired them with this top I bought yesterday because I figured I don't want to go into shops a little. The pants are see-through, but honestly, like, I'll deal with men. Sometimes you just kind of accept it. And it happened to me yesterday where you just kind of like, it is what it is. And shout out to the two people that tried to help me and work out. And I was just, you kind of get over it. I don't know. It sucks, you know, as a woman, you get to a point where, not that it doesn't bother you anymore, but you become numb to it all. I don't know if I need my AirPods. What do I need AirPods for? Since I'm going to, and my little fan. It's very hot. I don't know if I'm gonna stay at the beach for long because this weather. I might end up just going at sunset, but I want to get out the house for a few right now, so that's why I'm kind of just like, let's go. Bro, I can't find my damn. I need a white bag. I need a white bag. Just got done at the beach. I really need to pee. That's actually why I'm going back. Got myself an ice cream. So some ice cream truck and I was like, oh gee. It was 40 rand. I'm pretty sure that's not how much ice cream costs when we were kids. So I was a little shocked, but hey. You just pay. That's a nice car. So today is basically my last day in Cape Town. It is currently, I wear this so that men don't bother me. It mostly works, mostly being the cute little Santa. Like I was playing in the water. I made little friends and we were happy playing in the water and it was so much fun. I was sitting next to this family, so they were very nice. They took care of my stuff and I'm here now, aren't I? Can't say you can do this everywhere, but yeah, we're kind of deciding what we want to do for our last night. We already technically had a night in on Thursday, so I don't think we want to chill and have a night in again, you know? But I also don't want to do something like crazy expensive, you know? I'm still thinking about that perfume and I really want to buy it. And technically I can buy it, but sometimes I feel guilty spending money on things like that, you know, because it's not a need. Like I don't need it now. I can technically wait till month end. But if I buy it now, like what if I end up wanting to do something else, you know? I know I've paid for like all my things for the month and everything is like done and sorted, but like what if there's something else I want more later down the line? Delayed gratification, or the money's gonna get spent anyway, so just spend it. Oh guys, that perfume smells so good. It's time to get ready. I need to start showering now. One thing about me, I can take my damn time, okay? Like I don't know what happens, guys. Like I'll be on time and still not be on time. Like I don't know, it's a weird. Look at that line. Goes all the way. I lost my flight. Can you fucking believe it? The things we do. Honestly, it wasn't my fault. Anyways, I need to work, so that's what I'm doing. This might be my look for the summer. I was very tired coming back. I barely filmed anything. Missed my flight. That was more than a little annoying. But I'm here now. So much work. Anyways, yes, I'm home now. I've been working, as always. All I fucking do is just work. I don't actually have much of an update. It's just kind of closing out the video. Anyways, I mean, of course, fucking course, but it's nice.